Bex, there's my Jack crumpled all those up.
Hey guys, we got $8.50 plus $2 now. That's $10.50. We are about to go to the Dollar Tree, so we are going to where are we going? The Dollar Tree.
The Dollar Tree.
You know,
We're in the Dollar Tree.
Hannity and Holly.
We got shaving cream, phones, and silly string. What you were saying, like, that can't be over 6 minutes long.
So we got Leo's eating Pringles. That's what we got, and then we got some gum and frozen lemonade, shaving cream fight, Play-Doh, more shaving cream. Oh, and a balloon! We're gonna do the helium challenge. It's gonna be like my
Thing where we all got some Play-Doh. We put like stuff in here, like some of us don't even know like what either of them put. So if we pick like one, we pick one, and then we have to make it out of Play-Doh within like 30 seconds. Yeah.
Go. 3,
That's
4. That's not it. Come on.
you have to make the ball tap. You guys are nasty.
I'm sorry.
We met Emma, okay?
Yeah, we met Emma. Oh yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna do like what they
Oh
do.
shoot.
You got it.
That's the
26. What is that?
That's the extra ball sack.
You got a third one.
It's a baby.
This is so good. Go. 3,
That's
4. That's not it. Come on.
you have to make the ball tap. You guys are nasty.
I'm sorry.
We met Emma, okay?
Yeah, we met Emma. Oh yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna do like what they
Oh
do.
shoot.
You got it.
That's the
26. What is that?
That's the extra ball sack.
You got a third one.
It's a big. Ooh, I already have my pizza made, so. All right.
Oh wait. No, you have to start from scratch. Okay.
Okay.
You have to
know
make a
what?
slice of pizza.
Pizza.
Ready, set, wait. Pizza.
Ready?
Go.
You didn't start the timer.
Oh, go. 3, 4,
5. 17.
91.
46. 72. 25.
What is that? You can't use props? No.
Against the law.
Pizza.
You cheated.
Hey, no one ever said that.
This one is somewhat hard, not really.
All of yours are like hard.
So you're gonna throw that at me. Ready? I'm ready.
We should have done.
Play-Doh Wars.
No.
I have blue in my orange.
I have pink in
I
my
said I have
bowl.
glue in my orange. Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, ready? Say,
Wait, what was I? Oh yeah.
go.
I'm going.
Use your green.
I'm not done.
Use your props.
Use your props. Yeah.
Boom.
Like a mushroom.
This is my tree.
If you use purple,
I made it in 16 seconds.
Oops. I forgot.
Oh.
Kennedy.
Oh.
If you use the purple on the top, it would look like a purple minion. Okay. It's my turn.
A purple minion's what?
I got a mustache. Ah!
So we're doing the helium challenge. Okay, ready? I'm gonna
got it, guys.
You should say it when you have helium in your mouth.
It's losing air. That lost so
We
much
just lost
air.
a lot of air.
Yeah.
What? It's hard to...
Give me it. Here.
Hi. Hello. My name is Molly.
My name is
Molly.
No, I ran out.
I ran out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys! Oh my god. Hey guys. Hello everyone. Hey guys, my name is Shabrisha. My name is Leah. My name is let me get this.
I don't recall what it was called.
Alright.
It was the Dollar Tree.
I'm 42 years old. I'm 42 years old and I live with 4 cats. And I'm looking for a man that can treat me right. And I live in the Texas. I take the subway every day. It's awful. There's a lot of smelly people. They smell really bad. Really, really bad. Did your mom text you?
No.
Hello. What do you want?
Your hair is like. Oh yeah. I need like help.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Look at us. Do it. It's in your. Oh my gosh. Don't get it in your mouth. Have the goggles on. Dude. Sucks. Go! You can do it! Shove her head in there!
Wait, Kennedy, take your goggles off. I want to see how you look.